8450 John Deere. Reasonably much later model. It'll be roughly the same power as the 8430. 8440. The 30s were an early series in the 40s, and that's the way the tractor comes on the road. 9350 John Deere. 9330, sorry. 355 horsepower. The driver looks like he'd like to own it, but I don't think he's going to be allowed to. 9530 John Deere, another local tractor. 475 horsepower. That was the tractor we had out on the place of the big and little cultivator.
He's real like that. We'll go still on this.
$96.30. This is the tractor that on there here. $96.30, 530 horsepower. So we're creeping up in the power all the time, just ever so quietly. IH Quadtrac 450, 467 horsepower. There's another Whanganui tractor. Nice to see the owner brought it out from. The advantage of those rubber tracks like that is you get a lot less compaction on the soil. And years ago we didn't worry about that. As cultivation gears change, that sort of thing has become more popular. Case Geiger 535, 535 horsepower. Same as the last one, this one's got wheels on it. Another 535 Quadtrac. This tractor worked out of Jersey. They used the ripper behind breaking up the stuff back after they dug the stuff down. Case IH Quadtrac 600 horsepower. Think of that and think of what that 17.5 horsepower Minneapolis Multi D on the end that had a single furrow plow on it. You thought you were playing great time, not better than what, besides of that.
What's it? Still on the bed.
SDX case 835. That one's probably done a few hours, but I look at the sunburn on it. Hurley Farm. Another 3388 Snoopy. This one comes from Timaru. Another pretty revolutionary sort of tractor when they were new. Another 1200 International, and 1200 Max, sorry, not a level there. White field box. Survivor is one of three that are only important in New Zealand. This one, they know one got burnt, they don't know where the other one is, whether it's been scrapped or not. White became part of AO, which took over Massey Ferguson and just about every other tractor company. Another 1200 Massey.